variables here. And coming to the next thing, comments. When you write your program, some part of the code may not be accessed or may not be executed by your interpreter, so that is called as commented section here. So in programming languages generally we use comments to annotate your code. The major purpose of code is to annotate the code, so that once you come back and read your code again, so you remember the or regain your code, and you try to understand your code here. In Python, the comments are used by hash symbol. So whatever comes after hash, that will become the comments here. So comments can be placed on a separate line or at the end of the code here. So suppose for example I am writing my first Python code. So here print hello Python. So this is my first Python code. So I can write comment at the beginning saying this is my first code, or I can say somewhere here, I can write here this is my first code at the beginning of the program, beginning statement of the program, or at the end of my statement here. And whatever comes after this hash is ignored by Python interpreter here. So coming to the Python operators, as I told you, so operators in all programming languages are almost same here. There are 6 different types of Python operators are available: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, membership operators, and identity operators. 6 different types of operators are there. In arithmetic you have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, and floor division. Comparison, where we try to compare two variables or two numbers or two data sets. They can be equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, or less than equal to. And logical comparisons, so when you study about semiconductor devices, we'll say logical gates, right? Same way, so there are logical operators are there: logical, and, or, not. 3 different kinds of logical operators are there. And fourth kind of operators we call them as assignment operators. That means assigning something to the something here. So you can assign a data to a variable, or you can assign a number to new variable, or you can add a number to a previously existing number. You can do subtraction, you can do multiplications, you can do modulus assignments, like various assignment operators are there. So these operators, one common thing is there is equal to symbol is there, and before that equal to symbol the other symbols or other variable symbols might vary. So assignment operators. Coming to the memberships, so when you want to say, suppose something is member of list, given list, or something is not in this given list, so you want to check the condition, presence or absence of something in a data, use in and not in. And identity operators here, identity, whether it is a keyword or not, or it is present or not. So these kind of operators, is and is not, are also used as a identity operators. So in many programming languages you have arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and assignment operators. The membership operators and identity operators, basically they are specific for advanced programming languages such as Python. So I'll end this session now. So this is just a simple or quick overview of Python programming. We haven't done any programming, or we haven't started any programming. So from next session we start doing programming, learning basic concepts. Thank you very much.